Welcome to my viewers. This is our 45th video of our GoLang series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the panic, right? Panic is very important concept when you are learning about the Go related steps. And previously, we have discussed about the sorting, right? If you haven't watched those things, please look into that. Those things are very important, right? If you know those things, you can uh, easily sort slices. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the panic, no, right? First, I will clear my previous example. A panic typically means something went unexpectedly wrong, right? Mostly we use it to fail past on errors that shouldn't occur during normal operation or that we are not prepared to handle gracefully, right? Panic means that something happened unexpected, right? Uh, it means that our code after the panic will not execute, right? Simply we can write the panic like in this way, right? I will say this is a panic, right? Using the panic function, we can generate the panic, right? We will see what is the output now. This is the output, right? Here you can see the message that we provided to the panic function, and then it has finished the work, right? In here, it will provide us the line number that will generate the panic, right? Like in this way, we can generate the panic, right? It means that our program will not able to handle that error, right? Okay. I will tell you further example. Assume that I want to create a file, right? Using the OS package, we can create the file name like this. Okay, abc.txt, right? If you want to create a Go file, abc.go. Like in this way, we can create the file inside this folder, right? If we are running this one, this is the output. Here you can see abc.go file. It has generated. Okay, then I will do the separate example, right? First, I will delete this Go file. We do not want this one, right? Okay, then I am trying to provide some invalid path, right? Like in this say abc.txt file. I am trying to create a file like in this way, right? But this kind of folder path not exist, right? Then when we are going to create this one, in the first variable we can get the file, and then secondly we can get the error, right? If there is an error, we can get error. Initially we want to check whether there is an error or not, right? Like in this way, error not equal nil, right? If there is an error, we can generate the panic by passing the error to the function, right? Okay. After that, I am trying to print something, right? Then we will see what is the output. Now, in here, you can see panic, right? Open tmp/abc.txt. No such file or directory, right? It says that this kind of file or directory, no such, right? It means that it can't create this kind of file, right? Then it will give this error, right? Then we have generated the panic, right? After generating the panic, we cannot see our furthermore codes executes, right? In here I have print something, but we can't get it, right? Because after the panic, our code will exit, right? exit from the code. Furthermore, we can't get an output, right? This is the thing that I want to teach you today regarding the panic, right? Hope you have get a clear understanding regarding the panic. This is a very important concept. If we are not able to identify the what kind of error that has occurred, right? Then we do not know how to handle those kind of errors. Then we will simply panic our code, right? Okay. If you have learned new things, please subscribe to my channel. Please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.